Hello everyone, this is lesson 3. As you can see here, I have the building blocks off of lesson 2. So we're going to keep most of this up here, but we do have to change some things. Couple of things we're going to have to change is, for one, this is going to have to be an internal control relay. Excuse me. So we're going to change this to CR. Keep in mind, internal control relays are %Ms. Okay, so that'll give us our first %M, CR1. We don't need the overload in this position any longer, so I'm just going to take that out, click on it, and press delete, and put a wire in there. And the auxiliary contact is also going to have to change. That auxiliary contact is going to be also associated with CR1. So just click on it and allow that to change as well. Now down here we're going to add a couple of different inputs. We're going to add a normally open push button for run. In conjunction with that, we're going to also reference that CR contact down here to be part of the jog function. Okay, so we're going to put our output coil, and this is going to become our actual motor. Alright, we're going to put a wire in there. And then we're going to put that overload back in here as well. Okay, so now I go back to my select. This is going to be my physical input. That's a jog. Again, keeping it in order, jog, comma, %I, it will generate the next available input. One thing that happened though, I'm no longer using that motor auxiliary. So what I actually want to do is, I want to go in, and if I go to my variables table, you can see that the aux is still in there. Okay, so I'm going to delete unused variables, say yes, and I want to change this right here to actually be input number 3. Okay, and then the overload _L, alright, _L is going to be used there as well, and then down here is going to be our CR, our control relay. Alright, lastly I need to name my output, so this again is my actual motor coil now. Motor, comma, %Q. Alright, and notice how that put it to 3. So I want to go in, I want to change that back to 1. Alright, so it took the change because that variable and address was open. Okay, so now we have our jog button. I want to label that and name it. So jog is a normally open push button. Okay, and we could tell the program that this is an internal CR. Okay, so internal CR, jog, overload, motor. So the way that this is going to work is if we press our start, the CR is going to engage. This contact will close to keep that CR engaged. And then down below, this CR can close and allow the motor to run. Or if the motor is not running, okay, we hit our stop button. That'll disengage the CR, open up that contact, open up this contact as well. And then as a physical hardwired input, we could press the jog button, allow the motor to jog. Okay, that's the end of lesson 3. Thank you.